Hello everyone, Shahnaz Alvi here, and this is the Facebook marketing series. So, today we are going to learn how you can retarget your website visitor through Facebook Pixel. So, चलिए start करते हैं. Just click on the ad manager and go to audiences. So, first, what we will do, we will create a custom audience who visited on your website. Now, click on, I guess the ad manager is disabled, so I'm choosing this ad manager. Click on create audience, click on the custom audience. So here are the different option. इसमें से आप कुछ भी चूज कर सकते हैं. Like if you want to track a web or remarket a website visitor, so here is the option. अगर आपके पास कस्टमर लिस्ट ऑलरेडी है और आप उसको रीटारगेट करना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ से आप कर सकते हैं. एंड देर इज अनदर ऑप्शन लाइक हु ऑलरेडी फिल योर साइन अप फॉर्म फेसबुक पेज. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू वेबसाइट विजिटर. Click on the website and put your website URL and click on continue. All website visitor in last 30 days. You can put 90 days and here, and then click on create retarget website visitor and click on create. Done. Your audience is created. So while creating ad, you can select this audience. So in this way you can retarget your website visitor. So आज के लिए इतना ही. We will see next video on like how to optimize the Facebook page. Bye bye. Thank you. See you in the next video.